Okay, so today I'm just going to show you how to make a contact sheet in Lightroom. So let's get started. First of all, you'll want to make sure that you have Lightroom Classic installed, because if you just have Lightroom, then you won't be able to make your contact sheet. So make sure you've got Lightroom Classic. So here we are in Lightroom Classic. And if you haven't already, you want to go up here to File, Import Photos and Videos to import your photos that you want to use in your contact sheet and import them. Or else you can just go down to your collections of your previous imports to choose the photos you want. I'm just going to click Previous Import because I just want to make a contact sheet from the photos I've just imported. And I'm in the Library tab here. So I've got this photo here selected, but let's say I want to make all of these photos into a contact sheet. So we're going to need to select all these photos. So I'm going to go down to the last photo and hold Shift and click that last photo there. Then we're going to go over here to Print, the Print tab. And you'll notice here that there's just one photo of me. And that's because we haven't changed the rows and the columns in the page grid section here on the right. So if we move rows over to say 5 and then columns over to, if we go 3, because then they'll all fit in better. At the moment I've got on rotate to fit, so that means if I make another column and it thinks they'll fit better that way, it's going to rotate them. You can take that off if you would like them like that, but I'm going to keep it on so it keeps them the best orientation to fit the page. And you can change all these settings in here to make the cell spacing, cell size, all that different. Just play around with all the settings in here. You've got guides, rulers, page bleed, da 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 da. You've got an identity plate if you just want to stick that right in the middle, but you probably would rather use a watermark. And you can add a watermark here if you want, but that one will just put it on the bottom left corner. If you want a tutorial on how to just make watermarks over all your photos, then I will make another video for you on that. The other things you probably want on here are photo info. So if I tick that, it tells you all the numbers of the photos, which is really helpful for if you've got someone that's choosing different photos or wants you to, edit certain photos. They can give you the number of the photo they're talking about. Okay, so now we're ready to export our contact sheet. We go down here to the bottom right to Printer, and then down to the bottom left here where it says PDF, and click the little arrow and go up to Save as PDF. Then we'll type in test contact sheet here, and I want to save it to the desktop, and that's all good. So we'll say save, and then when I go into my desktop, it will be there, and we'll go have a look at it now. Okay, so now we're on my desktop, and here is my test contact sheet. There we go. You can scroll through your whole contact sheet, and if you're sending it to someone else, they can even print this off if they want, because it is simply a PDF. And there you go. That is how you make a contact sheet.